Hey, g'day there, it's Craig from KickAss, and let's check out our brand new 30-litre air fryer oven. It's an absolute ripper. Now, not only is this a 30-litre air fryer, but it's built for all your off-road adventures. That's right, an air fryer that's designed to go on the road. How cool is that? So the magic with this air fryer is its 360-degree internal airflow. That's right, so your airflow is going through the whole oven, through your food, heats up to 230 degrees. With its quick and efficient convection heating, halves your cooking time, saving you power while you're out and about. This rivals your oven at home, but I bet you can't take that out in the road with you. Now, this really is the MacGyver of off-road cooking with its 6-in-1 functions. So you can air fry, you can bake, you can roast, also a griller, feel like dehydrating some food, and perfect for defrosting as well. You beauty. Now, we have a 60-minute timer to keep an eye on your food. Temperature all the way up to 230 degrees. Check this out. We have an oven light, so no more cooking in the dark. You beauty. Powered by 240-volt mains power. Now, check this out. It's 1,800 watts. And look at this, we've got a nice long cord that makes it nice and easy to get to your nearest power point as well. Now, weighing in at only 10.6 kilograms, you know it's built to travel. Talking about traveling, check these out. So these are the included mounts, and that's right, it can be hard mounted into your setup. So that's right, no rocking and rolling around in your caravan in the back of your four-wheel drive. What an absolute pearler. And not only that, we also include this little door lock as well. So basically what happens, uses double-sided tape. I'll put this on a bit later, but see here. So that sits on there like that. So when you're traveling, you can put the door lock down, and that way it keeps the door shut. It's not going to smash open, and the extra ripper about this, it acts as a child safety lock as well. What an absolute pearler. Let me show you what else it comes with. So you have the included typical oven rack. Then we have your air fryer basket. We also throw in this baking tray, and this doubles up as a dripping tray as well. You beauty. Last but not least, check this out. We have a removable crumb tray as well, and that makes cleaning so much easier. And if you wanted to, you could also put aluminium foil around that as well for even easier cleanup. Now, while we're on the subject of easy cleanup, check this out. We throw in this little suction cup. Now, the ripper about this oven is we can pull the interior glass out, clean it, and whack it back in. How cool is that? I'll quickly show you how to do that. Let's whack that on there like this. Grab yourself a screwdriver. You undo the 2 screws with just a Phillips screwdriver. Now, lift the glass out. Check this out. You beauty. We can clean both sides as well as the inside of the other glass and put it back together. It's nice and easy again. Just whack it back down. There we go. You ripper. This is awesome. Not only being able to air fry, but as you can see, we've got our bottom elements as well as our top elements there as well. So the beauty is we can air fry and grill and bake and dehydrate. You absolute ripper. Okay, so I'll just quickly show you the 2 elements at work. And as you can see, your grilling feature is going to be absolutely amazing. A little tip for you, I've just wrapped some aluminium foil around the crumb tray. So basically what it's going to do is just make things a nice little bit easier when it comes time to tidy things up. Alrighty, first up, let's cook some pizza. Now, I'm going to plug this into my trusty 2400. So I'm going to cook us a frozen pizza. So it says 230 degrees. Okay, so that's maximum, and it says cook for 10 minutes. Grab me a pizza opener. It's no real biggie, is it, to put a frozen pizza into your camp oven? I mean, a lot of camp ovens can actually do that, so I'm going to whack that in there. But can they do a proper 12-inch pizza? I bet they can't, so I'm going to double up and do that as well. I'm going to put that on the top one. There we go, just like that. 10 minutes. There is 2 pizzas. We'll see how we go. I'll be back in a second. The handle is cool to touch while you're cooking. I know I've been going to grab my tea towel and got used to doing that, but it is actually quite cool to touch, which is an awesome thing. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to move these down a bit. I think I put them up too high, so I'm going to whack that down. Oh, that's looking pretty good already. So I've just adjusted the pizzas to put them in the 2 middle racks as the top was starting to cook really, really quickly. So we're almost done, but what I'm going to do, because I'm cooking 2 pizzas, I'm just going to quickly swap them around. So that one needs a bit more on the top. Alrighty, so I just swapped them over to give the smaller pizza a bit more of a cook at the top. But I'll tell you what, they're looking pretty good. I always reckon if you can smell it, it must be just about ready, and I wish you could smell this. Well, there we go. I reckon we're done. Let's check this out. Yep. There goes the bell. Oh, nice. Whack it on here. Now, of course, I've got to give it a test. Oh, listen to how crunchy that is. Nice. Look at that. What an absolute ripper. Yum. Next up, let's have a look at the 12-inch pizza. Oh, that's cooked sensationally. Look at that. Smell of cooked pineapple on a pizza is absolutely sensational. What do you reckon? Look at that. Yum. So how cool is that you can cook a 12-inch pizza in the KickAss air fryer oven? It's an absolute cracker. Alrighty, let's grab something else to cook. Okay, next up, I must admit, I've got a bit of a sweet tooth, so I'm going to cook myself some dessert, and I've got some jam donuts. Check those out. So I'm going to give that bit of a crack. I'm going to use the air fry basket. In there we go. Okay, so 4 jam donuts, and what I've got it set at 180, and about 5 minutes. Don't want to overcook them. And I'm going to whack it in the middle shelf. We'll give them 5 minutes and see how they go. The beauty about the KickAss air fryer is the 360-degree air fryer and the convection oven. Now, the ripper about this is it cooks your food so quickly. And here's a great example, because we're almost 5 minutes into it, and I reckon these jam donuts are ready for dessert. Well, there you go. Time has gone off. They're so done. So imagine being on a camping trip and whacking in some jam donuts within 5 minutes. Check those out. What an absolute cracker. Alrighty, let's have a crack at cooking chips. Now, isn't that what an air fryer was initially invented for? Cooking healthy chips? Well, let's give it a crack. So here we go. So it says 200. Use the air fry basket, of course. Whack these frozen chips in. I'm going to whack this in the middle. Set to 10 minutes. Alrighty, back in 10 minutes. About halfway through, so I'm going to give them just a quick shake up. Well, that's so close. Now, I can hear them sizzling away, so we must be really close. Here we go. Look at that, perfectly cooked chips. Yum. How amazing. Now we can have air-fried chips while we're on our adventures. You beauty. Alrighty, so check that out. Everyone's favourite, a roast chook. Now, how cool is that out and about? Now, I've just put some smoky paprika, some herbs and spices, a bit of rosemary. So what we're going to do, I'll put that on the third one down for 200. And it says 30 minutes. Now, this is a large chook, so I expect it to take a little bit longer, but we'll give that a crack, and I'll be back in half a. Right on the bell. Let's check it out. So I'm going to check the temperature first. Once again, this cold touch handle is absolutely awesome. Doing it all in the baking tray is absolutely amazing with no mess. Just a little bit longer. We're almost there. Oh, another 10 minutes, and I'll see you then. Oh, absolutely perfect. That was 45 minutes. Wow, check that out. So I might do the quick wings test. Let me have a look at this. Oh, just pulls off the bone. Oh, yum. Well, there you have it. A roast chook in the KickAss 30-litre air fryer oven. What an absolute beauty. Okay, so we've done pizza. We've baked a roast chook. Now I want to use the griller feature. And what I'm going to do is my spicy chicken wings. Now, these are going to be messy, but using the grill feature, it's going to be pretty awesome. So what I've done here, I'm going to use the air fry basket, but I've whacked some aluminium foil in the bottom of the baking tray because obviously it's going to catch all the drip. So we'll just open that up. I'm going to put the drip tray on the bottom and we'll whack that there like that. Now, the beauty about this is the included tray is going to catch all our mess. So we'll whack that in. So I'm going to do around the 200 mark and I'm going to do 30 minutes and see how we go. I'll be back shortly. Well, there we go. 30 minutes later. Let's check them out. I reckon you'd have to be happy with those while you're out and about. See, the absolute ripper about keeping the baking pan as a drip tray with a bit of alfoil. What an easy cleanup. Forgive me, but I'm going to do a quick taste test. Oh, wow. That is awesome. All right, my next mission, if you've watched any other videos with our kick-ass ovens, you know I've always done the party pie and sausage roll test. Let me get rid of that from our wings. Bit of aluminium foil in there. Go once again, a nice easy cleanup. So I'm going to put that in the bottom. Oh yeah, look at that. So that's the first shelf. Then I'll grab the oven rack. Well, there we have it, a pack of 30. I'm going to bake these. So I've got the tray in the very bottom to help disperse the heat a little bit more. And then I've got me 2 racks of party pies and sausage rolls, 170. Okay, so it says only 6 at a time. I'm not going to do the whole lot. It says 10 minutes. I mean, just for giggles, see what happens with a whole pack in 10 minutes. Back shortly. Well, there we go. Now, that's been 10 minutes. Now, the instruction says that was for 6 party pies or sausage rolls. I'll tell you what, that's done. Well, they're definitely done. Just check the bottom shelf out. Oh, yeah, they're definitely done. So check that out. They're done too. Perfectly cooked party pies and sausage rolls. It took a whole 30 pack. I reckon you could put even more in the bottom. Alrighty, let's go check something else out. Okay, let's try something different. We've done a lot of meats for now. I'm going to grill some halloumi cheese. Who doesn't like that? Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to whack this in the air fryer basket. Some thick, some thin pieces, depends how you like it. So I'll whack that in. I'll put it around about the middle shelf. It's been about 8 minutes into it. I want to have a quick look at this. Yep, look at that. Doesn't that look absolutely sensational? Beautifully cooked. Obviously cook it to your liking. Oh, wow. I'm going to give it a crack. Yum. Grilled halloumi cheese. There's no reason why you can't spoil yourself while you're out and about. Did anyone say breakfast? Let's cook some ham and cheese croissants. And I know it's one of my faves for breakfast. Don't know about you. So first off, let's get some cheese. That in each one. Yummy cheese. Alrighty, there's my cheese all done. Let's whack in some good Aussie smoked ham. Ham in there. That there. I don't think these are going to take long at all. 2 packs of croissants, ham and cheese. I'll whack that on flat knacker and we'll try for about 10 minutes. Back shortly. Alrighty, it's been about 8 minutes, but I can smell these already, so let's check them out. Wow, check that out. Definitely ready. How about we do just some frozen veggies? So what I'm going to do, veg there, look at that, spread that out. Now this is probably an unconventional way to cook vegetables, but let's give it a crack anyway. So I'm going to whack that in the air fry basket, little rack, try for like 10 minutes, just on the end of the warm setting. And we'll see how our veggies go. All right, so that's been about 10 minutes on the warm setting. Let's have a look. We don't want to cook the hell out of our veggies, but check that out. So they haven't been newt and steaming. Oh, perfect. And there's our veggies. on the warm setting. How cool is that? Isn't that a ripper of an idea how you can go from cooking a roast chook all the way down to roast veggies, from mild to wild, from different temperatures to grilling. And now these veggies are absolutely sensational on the nice warm setting. Better than boiling your veggies in water. You ripper. I'm going to do some jerky and use this as a dehydrator. I've just done a dry rub on this. Nice and spicy. Now this is going to be amazing with all these spices on there. Well, there we go. We're off on the low heat setting, which is going to act as a dehydrator. Alrighty, so I'll see you when it's done. So the beauty about being a dehydrator, you can have it low and slow. I've cycled through the timer for a couple of hours. I mean, it looks pretty good. Check that out. So I'm going to give that bit of a go. It's a nice chewy jerky. Look at that. Oh, that's spicy. Well, there you go. Check that out. Another way you can use the KickAss air fryer. Homemade jerky. How cool is that? And I'll tell you what, it's spicy, but it's an absolute ripper. So hopefully I've given you some great ideas about using your air fryer out and about when you're on your adventures. Now, last but not least, I'm going to do a couple of these really nice, easy meals. So how cool are these things? Buy them in all your supermarkets. Now, they take about 10 minutes each. So I'm going to whack 4 of these in there and cook them all at once. Alrighty, let's give that a crack. Air fryer tray at the bottom. The normal oven tray, and whack that in there as well. It says 180. It's for 10 minutes for one. So what I'll do, I'll double that. Go 20 minutes and we'll see how we go with that. Alrighty, back shortly. So I'm really showing off the full capacity of the KickAss 30-litre air fryer oven. There's not many on the market that can cook a whole family's worth of food in one batch at a time. How cool is that? It's been 10 minutes, so I'm just going to quickly rotate them around just so they get a nice even cook. But it's smelling pretty good as it is. Oh, it's looking really good already. Put him on the bottom. While we're waiting for our meals to finish cooking, I'm going to quickly install the safety lock on there, and it's so simple and easy. We've just got our double-sided tape backing. See that there? So I'm just going to peel that off. Okay. Now, giving this surface a nice clean up. Now, you just put it in the exact marked area. So whack him just in there like that. Now, when I'm doing double-sided tape, I like to give a little bit of wiggle left and right just to make it stick 100%. So now we have our safety lock on the door. Now, just pretend we've got this bolted down in our caravan, our four-wheel drive, whatever, we're cruising around. We've got the lockdown, and now you cannot open the door. Press the 2 buttons in, lift it up, and away you go. Check that out. So how cool is that? Just drop it down, and now our door's locked. It's not going to swing open. So I know it's happened to me. There's been a heap of time. I've been on a bit of a rough trip. I've gone to get back into my van and every single drawer's open and knives and forks and cups and plates are everywhere. I'm sure I'm not the only person. Well, that takes care of that. What an absolute perler. Okay, so that's been 20 minutes. I doubled the time because of the amount. That is all amazing. Check that out. We've got our lamb shank. We've got our salmon and veg. We've got our brisket steak. And our Italian gnocchi and ragu. How awesome is that? Well, there you go, the KickAss 30-litre air fryer oven. So imagine you've had a full-on day, you've been out and about, you might have been fishing all day, caught bugger all like what I do, been on a hike, you name it, come back late, can't be bothered prepping anything, chuck one of these meals in your KickAss oven and look at this, you're eating like a king or a queen. You absolute beauty. Well, there you have it, the KickAss 30-litre air fryer oven. Great for home, but designed to go abroad. With its 30-litre cooking capacity, heats up to 230 degrees, fast, even 360-degree airflow, 6-in-1 cooking versatility, with all your safety features built into it. And don't forget, we supply all the brackets so you can bolt it down. We air fried, we roasted, we pizzaed it, we winged it, we baked in it, we grilled in it, we even dehydrated in it. Head online or head in store today.